Shenzhen Oceanpower Industrial Company Limited has been focusing on producing ice cream and frozen yogurt machine, ice cream and frozen yogurt powder, and ice cream wafer cones since 1998. Customer satisfaction is our greatest wish. With continuous development and innovation over the past 20 years, we're globally recognized for our world-class quality. Over 20 patented technologies, mature products for international market, and having been authorized to adopt China's national standards of soft ice cream machines and powder. What's more, we are chosen as the soft serve equipment provider by many well-known food chains and stores, such as 7-Eleven, Asda, Pacifico, Yogaberry, as well as many other chains in China.